2 points for line number 4. Number 3, sebelah sana. Pinasang pero wala. Nawala pa rin. 2 points for line number 20. Pinasang number 17. Number 17. The fake. Pinasang number 16. Number 16. No good. Number 1 number 20. Binigyan number 2. Binigyan number 6. Libig-libig. Tinignan pa. Wala. Number 1 number 3. Number 1 ulit. Number 6. Foul. Who's fouled? Number 20. Second personal foul. Ano? Man. Number 2. 2 points. Number 9. Pass to number 20. Foul. Foul number 2. First personal foul. First team foul. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 20. No good. Number 1 and number 2. Outside violation by Dan. Number 6. Sebelah sana. No good. Number 1 ulit. Outside violation. No good. Now number 2. Pass to. Now one in number 80, pull up, no good. Now one in number 20. Pass the number 2. Now one in number 6. Number 6, what's up? Now one ulit. Now one in number 4. Pass to number 16, pull up. No good. Now one in number 18. Pass to number 3. Number 3 is what's up? 2 points. Number 4, number 9, Ticos, number 4, foul. Pass to number 18, now number 3. Bring in number 6, 2 points. Good. Number 4, no good. Number 1 ulit, foul. Foul number 81. Now number 80, pass to number 3. Pass to outside violation. Pass to number 4. Number 4, pull up. No good, now one pa. Good point. And pull up. No good, now one in number 9. Number 9, silak-sak. 2 points. Number 3. Number 3, silak-sak din. No good, now one in number 5. Pass. Bringing number 9. Number 10. Silakan number 15. Bringing number 2 pula. No good. Now one in number 9. Number 9 to me. Migo. Silakan number 4. Number 4 pula number. No good. Now one in number 20. Bringing number 3. Number 3. Silakan. 2 points. Pass to number 16. Bringing number 9. Pass to number 5 and number 17. Bringing number 16. Huli ka muna dyan. Same ball. 9. Bringing number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 20. Bringing number 6. Libig-libig 2 points. And for 90 minutes exactly. Number 9. Number 9, pass to number 4. No good, nakakuha ni. Number 81, bringing sa kalaban. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Number 1. First. Wait. Number 4, 2 points. Yung mga motor nito, pakita mo. Kanino po yung ano? Now in number 1, bringing in number 20. Now one in number 5. Pass. Pass, kasama na din. Pass, kasama na. Offensive foul. Number 1, pumula sa thread. No good. Nakuha ni number 2. Number 2. No good. Nakuha ni number 20. Outside play. Number 9. Nakuha ni number 3. Nakuha ni number 2. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 16. No good. Pass to number 11. Number 11. 2 points. Number 9. Binigay number 4. Foul. Foul number 2. 33. Pass to number. No. Pass to number 20. Now number 2. Number 9. Pass to number 2. Pull up. No good. Now number 3. Pass to number 20. Pull up. 2 points. Now number 3. Number 3. 2 points. Second. Now number 9. Number 9. Tigot. Outside violation. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Tigot. Piasa number 20. Number 20. No good. Now number 3. Pass to number 20. Sumukan red. No good. Nakuha ni number 1. Nakuha ni number 4. Number 4, sumalakda. No good. Nakuha ni number 3. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.